Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you an app that I created using Telnyx AI feature, which is called AI Language Tutor. It helps you learn new languages. Sounds like a basic one, but it uses one of the most powerful features that Telnyx has to offer to you, which we'll talk in a minute. So what this demo will do is that you can call a phone number, say a language name, for example, Spanish, French, Japanese or Mandarin, and the AI tutor will help you learn that language with a full conversation flow. The AI speak, you respond, and it corrects you, and gradually increases the difficulty. So how it works? So I will call later in the demo. I will call a phone number, and then the Telus will transcribe it using speech to text. The text to our app over WebSocket will be sent, and AI inference generate reply and text back to us, and Telnet speaks it with TTS, which is text to speech. So our app only handles text. Yeah. Telnet's conversation relay does all the audio. Uh, that's it. Pretty straightforward. As I said in the beginning, that we're going to use one of the most powerful features that we offer to you. So it's one of the first features, conversation relay, that bridges phone calls to your app via text over a WebSocket, which is STD, TTS, and call control. Then we will use Telus AI inference. For this, I'm going to use Llama as a model. Then TextML, which is an XML that tells Telus to start conversation relay when a call comes in. So for this, we need to set a couple of things in Portal. The first thing that you need is, of course, a phone number, which is call enabled. You can go and buy a phone number in the portal from Voice Suite and then phone numbers. Just click on buy number here on the right side and get yourself a number, or just reassign one of the numbers that you already have in your app. What I'm going to do is I'm reassigning one of the phone number that I already have for the app that I'll show in a minute. So the second thing that we need is a TextML application that you can create an AI suite and then go to deploy and then go to calling. On the right side, it says create TextML app. Just click on it and do it. I have already created one with the name AI Tutor Language, as you can see here. So I'm going to use this in my demo. So once we are done, uh, I'm going to now show you how this works. This app has three components, and it's a TextML, a WebSocket, and a live dashboard. Uh, on the left side, you see live frames. You will see all the WebSockets, the transcription, and the reply that we get back from it, the webhooks. And when we end the call, you will see the call ended. On the right panel, we have the conversation. It's just a text message box, a chat bubble for the readability of what we are speaking to the to our AI agent. Um, okay, so as I said earlier, this is a text based. The app only exchanges text over a WebSocket, no audio processing. So now I'm going to go ahead and dial the number that I'm already using in my XML application from my phone number here. Uh, I'm going to put this on a speaker so that you can hear it. Anyways, we will see on the right side, on the right frame, everything that we're going to speak to the agent in a text format, so it will be easy for you to understand. So I'm going to call the number right now. Can you teach me a few basic Spanish phrases, please? How do I say good evening in Spanish? So as you can see that it started teaching me a few phrases in Spanish and asked for like how do I say good evening in Spanish? And on the right side you can see what we are talking, and on the left side you can see all the webhooks that we received. Right? So that is how it works. Any language, the tutor adapts to whatever the language is picked, and the system prompt is generated dynamically based on detected language. I hope you find this demo useful. Do comment if you want to know more about our features, and thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.